Hello everyone, welcome to SB Study Point. This time I'm going to share some knowledge about World Environment Day. If you like this video, then please share it with your friends and family members. Subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed it yet. As we all know, we are going to celebrate World Environment Day on 5th of June. Yes, every year, 5th of June is celebrated as the World Environment Day to increase awareness and action to protect our environment around the world. The UN Environment Programme annually organizes events for World Environment Day, which encourages worldwide awareness and action for the protection of the environment. It is celebrated on 5th June in more than 100 countries all over the world. World Environment Day is the biggest annual event in the world run by the United Nations to mark the environmental awareness among the people. Its main aim is to raise awareness to protect our nature and look at various environmental issues that are growing day by day. It is one of the main prime action to protect our environment. Environment is the surrounding or conditions in which a person, animal or plant lives or operates. It is necessary to understand the importance of environment, and lots of activities are done by people to preserve and conserve the unique and life-nurturing nature. People are more reluctant today to save the environment for the future. World Environment Day is also known as the Environment Day or Eco Day. This day is celebrated to spread awareness about the environment and its effects on the daily life of the people. The United Nations named 5th of June as International World Environment Day at the Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment in 1972. World Environment Day was first held in 1974 and it has been a flagship campaign for raising awareness on emerging from environmental issues to marine pollution, human overpollution, global warming, sustainable consumption, and wildlife crime. The theme of the first World Environment Day was Only One Earth. Now, World Environment Day 2020 will focus on biodiversity and will be hosted in Colombia in partnership with Germany. This year, the theme of World Environment Day 2020 is Celebrate Biodiversity. With 1 million species facing extinction, there has never been a more important time to focus on biodiversity. Colombia is one of the largest mega-diverse nations in the world to hold 10% of the planet's biodiversity. Since it is part of Amazon rainforest, Colombia ranks first in bird and orchid species diversity and second in plants, butterflies, freshwater fish and amphibians. Biodiversity is the variation of Earth's terrestrial, freshwater and marine species as well as their habitats. Biodiversity is vital to the survival of all life on Earth and is also the cornerstone for the goods and services of the environment that allow human societies to thrive. Biodiversity provides us with food, water, and resources as well as services such as climate control, pollination, flood mitigation, and cycling of nutrients. Ecosystems are relying on all parts from the smallest bacteria to the largest vertebrate. It's all interconnected. Some are producing oxygen that others are breathing. Some provide food for larger species which in turn become prey to even larger species. Every living organism has a role to play in the maintenance of balance. Sometimes we forget just how much natural systems support our own well-being, but we are part of nature and we depend on it. More and more people are starting to understand that we need to sustainably manage our planet's resource and ecosystem. However, that belief is far from universal. That's why World Environment Day is so important. It provides an occasion to raise awareness and teach friends and family that the physical environment is fragile and indispensable. We all are a part of nature, and yes, we are very much dependent on it. So start planting trees and save our environment. We are human beings, the most intelligent creature on the earth. This is our responsibility to conserve the environment for future. So, on this World Environment Day, let's take an oath to try our best to conserve the environment for future. We can help to conserve the environment by keeping our surroundings clean. We can also stop using polythene and plastic. Thank you so much. Enjoy the nature and be sensible about the environment.